The Kalstein Electric Washer, Dryer. A space-saving, double-layer design crafted from premium-quality stainless steel and engineered to deliver efficiency and quality. The electric washer-dryer redefines efficiency and durability in the cleaning industry. Manufactured from premium-quality stainless steel, it offers superior resistance to acids, alkalis, and corrosion. Available in two models, 15 and 20 kilograms of wash and dry capacity, adapting to different load requirements for laundromats, hotels, and large households. Intuitive control panel with a secure door lock system ensuring safe operation at all times. Spin speeds exceeding 700 RPM, supported by a mechanical suspension system that keeps noise levels low. The washing machine drum offers capacities of 152 and 200 liters in the 15 kilograms and 20 kilograms models, designed to process large volumes. Explore the complete catalog of Kalstein industrial washing machines. Built to last, designed to perform. Kalstein, bringing science to life.